Hey guys, Asad from back with you again with another video. In this video we're going to show you how to fix the Ford Ecosport latch. As you can see here, the door does not lock or close. Let me show it to you here. That's it. So it doesn't lock, as you can see. So I'm going to investigate this part, why it does not close. So either the spring is broken or the entire mechanism, because it's all made of plastic and the inside. We tried to spray it with the grease, but nothing happened. So now we have to open everything. As you can see, you have to get rid of this panel first. You can open all this. You'll have screws in here, and screws for the latch will be here, and I think, yeah, there is one on this side as well, and then the rest are just locks. Alright guys, so as you can see, we have a lock here. As you can see, you gotta pry this out, just the cover. You'll have a screw inside, and then you'll have to open this plastic panel down here, just pry it out, and then you'll have screws underneath, and then I'll show you the rest. Alright guys, so I've pried this one out, and then the rest you can just keep following. As you can see, you have the locks. It's pretty easy. All you have to do is just pull it out slowly so you don't break the locks, and if you can't take it out, you can always put something in and just pry it out, you know. Alright guys, so in this door you have a T15 Torx inside. I'm trying to zoom in, let me show it to you. There's a T15 inside, and down here you got two T20 Torx, one on this side and the other one is in this side. Okay guys, so we've removed the Torx screws already, and you've got down here underneath, you've got two more. So you have here one, and you got another one this side. Alright guys, so once you've removed all your Torx here, and the two underneath that I showed you earlier, you should be able to just pry it out from its locks right now. Alright, so you're either gonna need like these to pry them out, or a regular flathead screwdriver. Just push it in and then just pry it out all around. Alright guys, so once you manage to release it from the door, make sure to detach all these wires. Okay, as you can see here, all you have to do is push and then pull it back. Same goes here, push this and pull it up. Alright, see, we have access right here, and you've got in here more latches. Just push the lock button right there and you should be able to pull it out. Same goes for this one, but it is on the back side where my index finger is. Just pull it and on. This one is here, and like that your door should come out easily. So to get access to this, you'll just have to remove this foam just like this, and should be able to see from the back. And if you do have to remove it, you have torques here to remove. I'll show you how. Alright, so this screw down here, the torques, it's a size T27. Right, I've managed to remove 3 of those screws here. However, when you try to shake this, it does not come out. So you gotta go here. There's another T27. Yeah, T27 torques up here, and behind here you have this plastic holding it. So you gotta take the torques from the front, be able to access and remove this lock. Alright, so once you've removed this one, the plastic in the back starts to wiggle. You have to remove one last torques here, and you should be able to take off your lock, this latch. Alright guys, so once you've taken out the lock where your latch is attached to the door like this side. Alright, I just wanted to show you, for those people who say, oh, we don't buy Chinese products, you know, they're not good. Here you go, this is your original latch from Ford. As you can see, it says made in China. We've fixed a lot of cars and everything is mostly made in China, all their parts. And as you can see, and if you buy them from the Ford dealership, you're gonna be paying like double or triple the price of this if you take it from China. So do your research. Good luck, guys. Alright guys, so we couldn't find a new part like this, and it does come really expensive. So we got a used one which works, and we're gonna try to fit that in. We tried opening this one and it's quite hard to open it, and from the inside we saw that the plastic part where the lock is broken. So instead of fixing that, we just got a new one from our scrap yard. So we're gonna install it now. And how did we remove it is the same way you're gonna put it back. You got your you know, the latches, this wires through here, and the same which goes in this side. Alright, so we're gonna try to install it. I'll show it to you really quick. As you can see, this part, it has a twist on it. It's bent a bit. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna somehow put that in and then twist it, and it should go inside. And then you have your lock here, which goes on this side. Alright, so once you've done this one, now you can just put back the cover, which goes right here. And then you have another latch here, and it should go inside this one. As you can see, I've installed this one and this right here and this right here. You're gonna need a lot of twisting enabled for you to put it inside. Alright, so hopefully this works, and you're gonna put back your wires, put it back in its place, and let's test it out. Okay guys, so I haven't closed everything yet. I haven't installed the doors yet or anything, and we're gonna do a little test before we close everything. There's a screw here. So as you can see, it's closing here. See, it's not opening now. There you go. Okay, so let me install everything and show you guys. So once everything is done and tested, before you close everything, plastic goes back inside, wirings goes back inside. Alright guys, and the last part of this, you've got this one. Oh, and I forgot, I didn't put this yet. So yeah. Alright guys, thank you very much for tuning in. More videos to come out soon. Thank you very much. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. Alright. This is not going in. I need 2 hands for this. Thank you guys very much. That's how you do a Ford Ecosport door latch. Thank you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you guys next time. Drive safe. Alright guys, so this is the final check of the video. Here you go. As you can see, it's working fine. It's closing. Lock. Unlock. There you go.